Hi everyone, I'm Chef Andrew. Today I'm making grilled char siu chicken kebabs on my Weber grill using briquettes. This recipe is easy, delicious, and very healthy because there's no oil required to grill the chicken. You still get that classic char siu flavor, finished with a sweet honey glaze. So let's get started. I'm using 6 chicken breasts today, so I'll have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Traditionally, chicken thighs are best for juiciness, but since I'm on a diet, chicken breast works perfectly for weight loss. First, clean the chicken breast, then cut them into even cubes for the kebab skewers. After cutting, rinse the chicken quickly and let it drain well. Removing excess water helps the seasoning stick better and gives a nicer grill. Once the chicken has drained, place it into a bowl. I'm seasoning enough for 6 chicken breasts, so adjust amounts if you're making less. First, sprinkle in salt and white pepper, just enough. I don't like measuring salt with teaspoons, it can get too salty. Next, add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder. Give it a good mix. Now, add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Mix again. Then add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. This helps lock in moisture and creates a better glaze on the grill. Drizzle in a little sesame oil for aroma and a small amount of olive oil. Mix everything well. Hey guys, my chicken breast is marinated. Let's pop it in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes before we prepare to grill them and place them in kebab skewers. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare the glaze. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon char siu sauce, and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Mix well and set aside. You'll also need honey later for the final glaze. Now fret the chicken onto skewers. You can use metal or bamboo skewers. Just make sure bamboo skewers are soaked in water first. Set them aside on a plate, ready for grilling. I'm grilling this on my Weber grill using briquettes. You don't need too much briquettes. Too much heat will burn the chicken before it cooks through. Once the briquettes are ready, spread them evenly. Place the grill rack on top and we're ready to cook. Place the chicken kebabs onto the hot grill. Let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes before flipping. Or flip more often if your grill is very hot. The chicken should cook in about 6 to 10 minutes, depending on the heat. You're looking for a nice char while keeping the chicken juicy. Once the chicken is cooked and slightly charred, brush on the prepared Char Siu Glaze. Grill for another minute or 2. Then drizzle over some honey. Brush again and grill until the honey caramelizes and sticks to the chicken. This is where all the flavor comes together. And just like that, our grilled Char Siu chicken kebabs are ready. Sweet, smoky, juicy, and packed with flavor without deep frying. Enjoy this on its own or serve it with rice. This dish is a must try. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Chef Andrew. I'll see you in the next video.